Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Docker and Docker Slim installed. Start by picking a working image or building from your Docker file. Run the container to confirm functionality, then note which ports, volumes, and envvars matter. Once done, stop the container and run Docker Slim inspect to capture entry points and runtime behavior. This gives Docker Slim the telemetry it needs. Make sure to run simple smoke tests so you can compare before and after behavior. You now run Docker Slim build with flags that exercise the app. Use HTTP probe for web apps or continue after with manual tests for others. Include expose for ports the app needs, and add include to retain config files Docker Slim might drop. Watch the build output for missing binaries or errors. When Docker Slim reports missing elements, rerun with explicit include patterns. This step reduces image size while preserving runtime behavior by tracing file use and entry points. Finish by testing the Slim image against your smoke tests, checking size and startup improvements. Deploy it to a staging environment and verify logs, health checks, and integrations. If something breaks, run the Slim image with volumes mounted for configuration and enable verbose logging to trace missing files or permissions. Make sure to keep the original image tagged as a fallback while you iterate. That way you can quickly revert and adjust, include rules or probes, until the Slim image matches expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.